Hello everyone. Welcome to your online class of GK of class 4th. I hope you all will be fine. Students, in our previous video we revised lesson that is given on page number 7 to page number 12. Today in this video we will revise from page number 13 to page number 20. Okay, so let's begin our class. Page number 13. In place of, read the paragraph given below. For each of the underlined and bold words, choose a word from the box below which is similar in meaning. You can see here this paragraph, and in this paragraph these words are given to you. So you have to choose the word from this box with a similar meaning. So the first one is wonderful, that is delightful. Look, see, little, small. Fourth, bold, brave. Fifth, safe, secure, strange, unusual, sort, type, glue, adhesive, fastens, seals, ready, prepared, pieces, parts, surprised, amazed. Okay, so this is your lesson that is given on page number 13. So you have to learn these words that have the similar meaning. Now, page number 14, race in the space. So here questions are given to you. You have to learn these answers. What was the name of the first artificial satellite to go around the earth? That is Sputnik 1. Second, name India's first scientific satellite, Aryabhatta. Name the first animal to be launched in space, that is Laika. Name the India's first successful moon mission, Chandrayaan 1. Name the first human being to go into space, Yuri Gagarin. Next, name the first woman cosmonaut to travel into space, that is Valentina Tereshkova. Next question, that is on page number 15. Name the first woman to stay in space for the longest time, Sunita Williams. Name the first woman of Indian origin to travel in space, Kalpana Chawla. Name India's first mission to Mars, Mangalyaan. Who was the first space tourist in the world, Dennis Tito. Then name the spacecraft that carried Neil Armstrong to the moon, that is Apollo 11. Name the first country to send a man to the moon, that is United States of America. So you have to learn these as fill in the blanks or question answers. Now, lesson given on page number 16, by the riverside. Here in this column, name of the cities are given, and here rivers are given on the bank of which these cities are situated. So the first one is Agra, that is Yamuna. Ahmedabad, Sabarmati. Allahabad, Ganga. Kolkata, here Hooghly. Guwahati, this one, Brahmaputra. Varanasi, Ganga. Ujjain, Shipra. Bharuch, that is Narmada, here this B1. Then Nasik, Godavari. Tiruchirappalli, that is Kaveri. Okay, so this is a lesson that is given on page number 16. Now, page number 17, inside the body. Fill in the missing letters to answer these questions. What are the holes in your nose called? Nostrils, Nostrils. What is the name of the long pipe that shifts food from the back of your throat down to your stomach? Esophagus. Third, what do you call bones around your chest that protect organs such as the heart and lungs? Ribs. Next, your tongue is home to special structures that allow you to experience taste such as sour, sweet, bitter, salty, What are they called? Taste buds. What do you call the flow of blood through your heart and around your body? Circulation. Which body organ is made of cardiac muscles? Heart. Name how many chambers are there in human heart? 4. Which system removes waste product from the human body? Excretory system. Then, which is the largest point in the human body? Largest joint in the human body? Knee. Which organ in the human body is also called the voice box? Larynx. Okay, so this is the lesson that is given on page number 17. Page number 18. Passing winters. Animals cannot put on a sweater, so what do in winter to keep warm? They have three choices. Means animals do not have sweaters, so to protect themselves from the winter. So what do they do to keep themselves warm in winter? So they are having three choices, and so the first one is hibernate. Hibernate is, it is like a deep sleep, like a very deep sleep. They hide themselves in a den or burrow. Their body temperature and heart rate slows down. They wake up in the spring when the weather is nice and there is more food around. मीन्स वो क्या करते हैं, वो एक बहुत ही डीप स्लीप में चले जाते हैं इन द डेन और इन अ बरो, और वहाँ पे उनका जो बॉडी टेम्परेचर है और जो हार्ट रेट है वो स्लो डाउन हो जाते हैं. एंड फिर वो तब उठते हैं जब स्प्रिंग सीज़न आ जाता है और उनके आसपास बहुत सारा खाना होता है. सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज़ माइग्रेट. व्हेन द वेदर स्टार्ट्स to get cold, migrating animals fly or swim to a warmer place where they can find food. Means कुछ ऐसे एनिमल्स होते हैं जो स्विम करके या फ्लाई करके किसी और जगह पर चले जाते हैं विंटर्स में, जहाँ पे जो प्लेस है वो वार्म होती है, गर्म होती है, और जहाँ पे बहुत सारा खाना होता है उनके लिए. एंड द थर्ड वन इज एनिमल्स दैट अडेप्ट टू द कोल्ड वेदर ऑफन चेंज देयर अपीयरेंस. मीन्स जो वहाँ पे रहने के लिए अपने अंदर कुछ चेंजेस करते हैं, वो क्या करते हैं, वो अपने चेंज कर लेते हैं अपने अपीयरेंस में. उनके बॉडी पे क्या हो जाता है, दे ग्रो वार्मर फर्स और फेदर्स. ठीक है, वो अपनी बॉडी पे वार्मर फर्स या उनके फेदर्स जो है ग्रो हो जाते हैं उनकी बॉडी पे. एंड समटाइम्स चेंज कलर, और कभी कभी वो अपना कलर भी चेंज कर लेते हैं. दे चेंज कलर टू हाइड दैम सेल्फ अगेंस्ट द स्नो, ताकि वो अपने आप को स्नो के अगेंस्ट हाइड कर सकें, इसलिए वो अपना कलर चेंज कर लेते हैं. सो दैट इज़ नोन एज एडेप्टेशन. ओके, नाउ हियर in this column some clues are given to you. Here means some descriptions are given to about the animals. You have to tell that whether these are means which method they use to protect themselves in the winter. Okay, so first one is a bullfrog stays underwater all winter and survives by breathing through the skin. So this is hibernate. So you have to write only H. Okay, you have to use H for hibernation, M for migration, and A for adaptation. Now second one is monarch butterflies spend the summers in Canada and northern US. For winters they go to Mexico. That is migration. They migrate from one place to other. During winters a turtle buries itself in the mud on the bottom of the pond. By keeping its mouth out of the mud, it gets oxygen from the water. This is again hibernation. Snowshoe rabbits grow white furs in winter to hide in the snow. That is adaptation. Means उसने अपनी बॉडी में कुछ चेंजेस कर लिए. Every year the Arctic tern travels from North Pole to the South Pole and back. That is migration. Now lesson given on page number 19, energy sources. Read the clues and unscramble the words to identify the sources of energy. So the first one is energy generated from the rays of sun, that is solar energy. Energy generated from the wind using machines called wind turbines, wind energy. Third, energy that is produced from beneath the earth. It is clean and environmental friendly. geothermal energy, energy that is generated from flowing river water through multipurpose dams, hydropower. This energy uses the rise and fall of tides to convert kinetic energy into electrical energy, that is tidal energy. This energy is produced from organic material like plants, crops, trees, wood chips, and animal waste, that is biomass. Now, lesson given on page number 20. In a word, sometimes one word is used to describe many words. Match the words in the left column to the description on the right. So here the words are given and here their descriptions are given. You have to match them. First one is edible. So its answer is that which is fit to be eaten. Encyclopedia, a book that contains information on various subject. Audible, so its answer is that which can be heard. Next one is optimist, so its answer is a person who looks at the brighter side of things. Fifth, extempore, a speech delivered without any previous preparation. Botanist, so its answer is one who studies the science of plants. Seventh, pedestrian, so its answer is one who goes on foot. Next one is orchard, a piece of land planted with fruit trees. Epidemic, so its answer is a widespread outbreak of an infectious disease. 10th, audience, a number of people listening to a lecture or musical performance. So these are the lessons set from page number 13 to page number 20. So now you have to revise these lessons also with the lessons that that we revised in our previous video, means from page number 7 to page number 20. That is the syllabus for your unit test. You have to prepare them well for your unit test. Okay, so we end our video here. Thank you.